Vanakkam, good morning. So today we are going to talk about the second book of Shiva Trilogy written by Amish Tripathi. The name of the second book is The Secret of Nagas. So we have seen about Suryavamshi kings. Daksha is the person. Then we have seen about Chandravamshi king. Then we have seen about Ayodhya, Shiva and Sati going to Ayodhya temple in the novel. So in the end of the first novel, Sati is abducted by the Nagas. Like that it will end there. So now Shiva rushes to save the Sati. At the time they find some coins and engravings from the place where Sati was abducted, and they belong to Nagas, and they have been, these coins are available in the adjacent country called Bringa. Like that he was told. So he goes there and saves Sati, bring her back. But when Sati comes back, she is telling that the people who have abducted her are her own kins. Means the person is Ganesha, is her own son. She is already married to a person, he has died, and this child also has died. Like that her father had told, but that child is alive and his name is Ganesha. And the woman who is coming with that Ganesha is Kali. She is the twin sister of Sati. That also she comes to know. But Shiva is not very happy about Sati being in a friendly relationship with these two. But he was given to understand that because of the excess drinking of Somaras, the Kali as well as Ganesha had excess growth. So his nose has grown so long like an elephant, and Kali has extra 2 hands. This is because of the Somaraj which has gone into the body has helped multiplication of cells, and because of that this has happened. Like that he was told. So for all these things only Daksha is the reason. Like that he was told. He is not able to believe that, and Sati says, I have not taken the Somaras so far, but again after consulting with Daksha and the Ayodhya king, his name is Dilipa, the Shiva goes to that Bringa country. Okay, the Bringa country people are having lot of diseases. One fellow who is coming there says that this is because of the polluted water coming from the Daksha's country. The Somaras, after making the Somaras, the factory discharges are left in the river, and because of that the river has got polluted. All the polluted waters are coming to us, and our people are suffering from fever. Like that. So we get medicine from Nagas, and that he is telling because this Parvateswar was fatally injured in a riot in the Kashi, and one of his hand got cut. So he was treated with a herb. This herb comes from Naga's land. Like that he is telling. So he takes them Shiva to those places. In the meantime, in Kashi there was some animal attack. Lions are coming and attacking. So Sati stays back and tries to drive away those animals. And one day her son Karthik. In southern South India, it is Lord Muruga. So he was about to be attacked by several lions, and Ganesha and Kali came there and saved him, like that, and all the goes on. And when Shiva goes to Branga country, he meets one Parashuram. So again, Parasuram is a character in this story. He has got nothing to do with the Parasuram of Ramayana and or Mahabharata, one of the avatar of 10 avatars of Vishnu, not like that. So that Parasuram again in the Ramayana scene is recreated here. So he meets Shiva and accepts his defeat, and then he takes them to Naga's land. So he goes to Naga's land. There he is meeting the Vasudevas. These Vasudevas, the head of the Vasudeva is Gopal. Again, this Gopal has no connection with that of Krishna. Okay, like that, so many things he is writing. Finally, he understands that all the evils are due to Daksha, because Daksha is making that Somaras. Okay, so he wants to stop it. He gives a warning to Daksha, but Daksha is not listening to him. So he decides to wage a war. So for that, he is taking technical advice from that Vayuputras. So he finds Brihaspati there. So Brihaspati says, because of Daksha's activities, I was unhappy, so I destroyed the factory and came here, like that he is telling. So in the end, Shiva decides to wage a war, and for that war he goes to present Iran, Iraq, Parasigam, Persia, to bring Devi Astras, that is mass destruction weapons of mass destruction. This he goes to Parasiga and try to bring from there. This portion is going to Persia and bringing that mass destruction, weapons of mass destruction, is described in the third part, about which we will see tomorrow. The third part is the oath of Vayuputras, which was released in 2013. Okay, thank you.